Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to undervolt your GPU using MSI Afterburner. This is the download page. You can download right here and then open the app or the application, and this is what it's going to look like. Before we start with the curve editor, the first step is to check these two boxes: voltage control and voltage monitoring, and yeah, we're going to need those. And another thing that you need to know is at what frequency does your GPU run smoothly at. Not the highest, but what's smooth and at a normal temperature, so that we can undervolt it to that. For me, it's about 1600 to 1700. So what we're gonna do is find this 1 volt, and then what you're gonna do is we're gonna go 50 down. So we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna find this. As you can see, it's this 18. What you're gonna do is hold shift and go down to a stable frequency, which I'm gonna do 1700 because why not. And then you can shift, you hold shift while you select it, and you hit select enter 2 times, and then it smoothens it out, and then you can just save it, and then you can open up a game, run a benchmark, and see if see the difference. If it's stable, then what you can do is reset it and then go 50 minus 50. So we're gonna go to just 9 volts this time. Hit the 9 volts, then either go down or up. I'm just gonna leave it here, and you can select it, and you can see this and check. And if this still works stable, you can go down by 50 by 50 by 50 until it crashes. For me, I know mine goes to 8 watts to here, 850. So I just hold this, I find it, and then I'm gonna go actually a little bit up to around here. Again, select it, enter 2 times, and save. And yeah, you just undervolted your GPU. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.